little cut here. You see the water going out. Once that picks up more sand and it gets deeper, it's worth it to dig it. There's some rocks up there. Another nice signal here, high. Sounds like a coin maybe. Throw my hat out of the way. I'm going to unplug my headphones again for you. Dig this out. It's in that peat clay layer we've been digging. See that? Got it right over in here. There it is. The quarter is clad. See that again? See that core? The clad quarter. 79. I gotta tell you guys, this watt is just kicking the booty off of that Excalibur 2 right now. I brought the Excalibur 2 out, timed it for 20 minutes, hit the tidal pool, and this wad is just running circles around it. I got one target with the Excalibur 2, and it's a wheat penny. I haven't looked at the date. And that was about it, and I've already gotten at least half a dozen with this watt in that same time period. So don't sit there and tell me the Excalibur 2 is the greatest machine ever. It's great, I like it, I use it, and it's capable, but this little watt here works beautiful if you use it for the right reason. Got this real ornate handle. Looks like an antique almost. Stick. Brass, definitely brass, but it's ornate, real old. It was a pretty good surprise. I'm just kicking it with this watt. This watt, for whatever reason, on the Explorer works better in tidal pools than the Excalibur 2 does. For whatever purpose, and I've proven it time and time again. And I like both machines. I'm not biased, but I like this Explorer with a watt when I'm doing tidal pools. I do a lot better, unless it's infested with iron. Then I go back to the 10-inch on the Excalibur 2. I can get in around it. But another find from the cut. Got one right here. It's like a coin. Oh, whoa, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go. Got some gold. Got some gold. Got something right over in here. Let's see what we got. A coin. It's a coin. Nickel. Got another one. Right over here. I'm gonna let you hear it. It's like a quarter. Ooh, she's been down there. Yep, look at that. Got another one here. It's like a quarter this time. I'm getting a lot of Wheaties. A lot of wheat pennies. Bit of green on this one. Another good sign. Keep going.